So hello guys, in this video we're going to give you idea how to create pop-up form inside the Shopify store. Suppose in our case we are promoting some web pane into Ireland. So might be this requires some age verification, might be some more information from the visitors whether they have 18 plus or not. So in order to create such pop-up form inside the Shopify, you need to download some app from the app store inside the Shopify. So today video I'm going to give you overview how to create such pop-up form inside the Shopify with the help of apps inside the Shopify. So just let's get started. I'm going to find the exact example for such kind of websites. Just stay with me. So this is the perfect example which I'm going to explain you in this video. So here we just see this. You must have 18 plus to visit the website. So it means that this kind of pop-up form is very required. Very required if you are for vape industry, for alcoholic or weed industry. So these kind of things are very important to have to mention inside the Shopify under the particular categories. If you are selling some electronic cigarettes, some vape pens, maybe alcohol, wine, then in that case this pop-up should be displayed on Shopify. So I'm going to give you exact strategy how we can going to create such pop-up form inside the Shopify. Now next step is that we need to go Shopify. So here's my store. Now go to the add app. Okay, so here's the option we can just go to the add app, and here are lots of app tool inside the Shopify itself. It goes to the app store. Now just search age restriction, maybe age verification app. So here are lots of, just go to pop-up guard and install this pop-up inside the Shopify. Install. So you can also enable here pop-up card. Just open, just to make it on. Now it's cool. Now go to shape. So in this way we can create age verification pop-up form inside the Shopify. Then go to shape. Save. So I hope you understand how can you create pop-up form inside the store. So just check out whether it's working or not. Just going to click here. Now it's fine, it's working. So in this way we can create pop-up form for the age restriction under the Shopify. I hope you understand this video very effectively. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. Thank you so much.